Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week I'm making tagliatelle pasta with a rocket pesto. Tagliatelle is basically long flat ribbons of pasta, usually just under a centimetre in width. The point of this video today is just to show you how to make fresh pasta dough and how to roll it out properly. I will be doing a lot more pasta videos on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, if you could please just hit the subscribe button, it means that you won't miss out on any future videos. Okay, so we'll get started. Okay, so for the pasta dough, we're going to start off with 200 grams of 00 flour, straight onto the board. Just going to make a little well in the middle of the board. Then go in with 2 eggs, the 2 eggs here that I've whisked up, 2 medium eggs, straight in with that. A pinch of salt. And I've got half a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And what we're going to do is we're going to start working the flour in from the outside, from the inside. Okay, so once you start to get a bit of consistency here, start bringing the flour in from the outside. Just try and work that flour in. It will get quite sticky, but don't worry about it. Just keep working it. Okay, I'm going to start going in with 2 hands now. Start working this. Start bringing it all together. Try and pick up all the flour off the board. Okay, so I'm going to work this dough for a good 10 minutes. Okay, so if I'm working the dough for a good 10 minutes now, this dough today is going to give you a good 2 portions of pasta. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just put it in a bowl and just cover that with some cling film and just let it rest. I'll let it rest for about half an hour. Okay, so while we're waiting for our pasta dough to rest, we're going to make our pesto. So we're going to start off with 60 grams of Rocket, just straight into a food processor. Got 1 clove of garlic. I've got 80 grams of extra virgin olive oil. And a pinch of salt. So we'll blend this up first. Okay, so once that's blended, we'll go in with 30 grams of toasted pine nuts. And I've got 20 grams of fresh parmesan. And I'm actually just going to finish this off with this squeeze of lemon juice. Okay, and that's our pesto done. Okay, so our dough's been resting now for a good half hour. So we're just going to cut this in half. And we're going to start to roll it through the machine. So Start off on the lowest setting. Before we put the pasta through the machine, we're just going to dust it with a bit of flour first, both sides. Dust the machine. Just stretch it out a little bit with your hands. And we'll roll it through. Then what we'll do is we'll fold it in half and we'll turn it through the other side, the other way. Fold it in half again, and one more time through this setting. Really stretch the dough out. Okay, now just before we put it through the last setting, we're going to cut it in half, because otherwise it's going to be too long. Just dust with a bit more flour, both sides. And that's how thin you want it. This is in the lowest setting. Yeah, you want it really nice and thin. Okay, so once you've got your pasta dough rolled out, we're going to put it through this attachment on the pasta machine. It's called the extruder. Now there's two settings, one's for spaghetti and one's for tagliatelle. Obviously we're doing tagliatelle today. So what we'll do is I'll just put a little bit of flour on it first on the machine. And a little bit on the pasta as well. We're just going to feed that through. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to just separate it a little bit. Your hands and onto a plate. And we'll just dust that with a bit of flour as well. This just stops it from sticking together. Okay, so once all the pasta's rolled out, just a little bit of flour on top, and we're ready to cook. Okay, so once our water comes to the boil, just go in with some salt. And we'll cook our pasta. This is, because it's fresh pasta, this isn't going to take long to cook. This one will take about 3 minutes to cook. Okay, so that's our pasta been cooking for 3 minutes, so that's it cooked. So I'm just going to strain it in a colander. And just go straight back into the pot. And we're now going to go in with our pesto. Just carefully mix that up. Okay, and that's ready to serve up. So I'm just going to finish this off with a few rocket leaves, which I'm just going to drizzle with some olive oil. A few more toasted pine nuts. And some fresh parmesan. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching my video today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like my videos, please give them the thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you all again soon.